What is SENSbox? A private space. Maybe that's what we need in today's contemporary open-plan work environments. SENSbox was designed to create a private space in business environment, in life and in the social areas. It enables us privacy in our phone and video calls and helps users focusing on important things in a comfortable, relaxing area. It is designed to meet all ergonomic requirements with appropriate technology and materials. It has sensors to control occupancy, air temperature, air quality and the lighting. SENSbox is made of materials with acoustic properties and designed to cut off sound transmission. It has a modular design where all parts come in flat packs and are easily assembled. SENSbox is a sustainable product where all parts are consisted of recyclable materials. SENSbox with different size and model options can be used in open space concepts, airports, hospitals, public, semi-public buildings, shopping malls, educational buildings, and in many other places where a private space is required. It's a high-quality in-room solution independent of interior spaces. SENSbox can be used to create easy-to-plan, sustainable spaces with changing needs. It can be used for purposes that require concentration, such as business deals, video conferences, group work, concert rooms, creating social areas, individual rest areas. It can be used for need-oriented purposes, such as group work areas, individual uses, meeting rooms, restrooms, and break areas. SENSbox standard product features include lighting, ventilation, control panel, glass and solid module, door handle, and a lock set. There is a work desk as a standard in the small model. Furniture is optionally available in our other models. You can make your selections from standard color and surface options. SENSbox models have acoustic features. All models have sound certification. Small model dimensions are 120 by 120 centimeters. The dimensions of our medium, large, X-large and XX-large models are increasing in multiples of 120 centimeters based on the small model size.